There is resentment within the Pakistan People Party's ranks over its leadership decision to form electoral alliances with the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf at the local level, despite repeated outbursts against leaders during public meetings and news conferences. Fusta. Latest tirade against the came at a public meeting in Chakwal district area on Sunday, where both parties have entered into a seat adjustment for a Punjab Assembly by-election. Fusta. But the outburst has angered the PPP leadership so much that some office bearers now want the party leadership to reverse its decision before polling day. Fusta. The spokesperson, called for reviving the decision to make seat adjustment with the PTI under the present circumstances. Fusta. Personally, I would like to revisit the electoral alliance with the PTI, but a decision can only be taken by the party, he said, vowing to raise the matter at a meeting of the party Central Executive Committee, scheduled to be held in on Wednesday. Fusta. Said Imran Khan, self-righteousness and stubborn refusal to look inward only serves to diminish him. Fusta. One may pity a person who diminishes himself so persistently. Fusta. At the public meeting on Sunday, Mr. Khan lashed out at the PPP leadership, particularly former President, even when he was reminded by party spokesperson that they had a seat adjustment with the area. Fusta. During his speech, Mr. Khan created an embarrassing situation not only for the but for as well, when he not only refused to stop criticism of the leadership, but also told the gathering what Mr. had whispered in his ear. Fusta. Dismissing his concerns, Mr. Khan said he had just been told the party was in alliance with the PPP in Chakwal and that he should not criticize them. Fusta. However, he added, it didn't matter to him and that he would continue to raise his voice against the corrupt irrespective of their party affiliation. Fusta. Has been alleging and the ruling Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz PMLN have entered into a deal to save each other from accountability. Fusta. The PTI chief made his claim while referring to a slew of court decisions in favor of PPP leader, former minister and Home Minister. Fusta. The PTI chief even sees the return of chief as the result of a deal. Fusta. There had been an unannounced ceasefire between the PTI over the past few months since they had a common viewpoint over the Panama Papers issue and both parties were seen cooperating during parliamentary proceedings. Full stop.